Hi, let's look at this P6 Maths Algebra question. We are told that Mark, Aaron and Jack received marbles in the ratio of 6, 5, 3. Now, before we carry on with the question, let's relate these names with the associated ratio that we have. So Mark, Aaron and Jack, the ratio is 6, 5, 3. So let me write it here. So 6, 5, 3. Okay, so Mark has 6 parts or 6 units. All right, Aaron has 5 units and Jack has 3 units. So that is the first step, relating the three names over here, okay, Mark, Aaron and Jack, okay, to the ratio that is represented here. Now we are told that if Mark received 18 Y marbles, find the number of marbles Aaron received in terms of Y. So we now know that Mark received 18 Y marbles. Alright, and now what we can do is we can relate the ratio to Y. So we can say that 6 units or 6 parts is actually 18Y. That means 1 unit, okay, so to get from 6 to 1 I need to divide by 6. So I do the same thing here. I divide by 6 and what I will get here is 18 divided by 6. I will get 3y. And this is the important baseline that we must get. And once we get, we will be able to use this to solve all the remaining questions. So in part A, we are asked to find the number of marbles Aaron received in terms of y. So Aaron received 5 units. So if 1 unit is 3y, what is 5 units? So 5 units, what do I need to do? In order to go from 1 to 5, I multiply by 5. So similarly here, I multiply by 5. So I will get 3 times 5, which is 15y units. Okay, so that is the first step over here. So the answer for part A is 15y. Okay, Aaron received 15y marbles in terms of y. Now in part B, find the total number of marbles the 3 children had in terms of y. So to find the total number of marbles, we first need to add up the parts. So let's add up the parts. Okay, so what you get is 6 plus 5 plus 3, and that will give you 14. So again, as before, 1 unit is 3y. That means 14 units. What do you get? So to go from 1 to 14, you multiply by 14. So similarly over here, you multiply by 14. So 3 y times 14. Okay, what you will get is 42y. Okay, so as you can see, 14 units will be relating to 42y. So that is the total number of marbles the 3 children had in terms of y. So the answer for part B is 42y. Alright, so I hope that this question has shown you how we can relate ratio with variables and solve them using the proper algebra techniques. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.